Hey everybody, this is Patrick from Rocky Mountain Style, back again. Another Grant Stone unboxing. As I always say, it is a good day when you get to do a Grant Stone unboxing because it's fun. Because we got a good deal today. So, as you know from clicking on the thumbnail, we got another pair of loafers, the Traveler Penny Loafer, and this time in Dune Chromexcel, also known as natural Chromexcel from Horween, for those of you who are into such things. So these were the first loafers I wanted from Grant Stone. I've been waiting on either a sale or a restock or for something to come in a B grade because I just like sales. I like deals. So it finally happened. On the Labor Day sale, we got a B grade that was posted, or at least thereabouts, in my size, 10D, in the Dune Chromexcel. So with the extra 15% off for Labor Day, I think I picked these up for 200, and the retail price now is what, 368, 362, something like that. But yeah, what a deal, right? So as usual, we've got our card, Mike A, I believe. Awesome. Thank you, Mike. Appreciate you. And this is actually a new one. I haven't seen this one. This one's cool. An updated little fit card. That's cool. We got that's nice. Yeah, the uh, Dune Chromexcel diesel there, new and patinaed. So that's pretty cool. All right. So of course with B grades, you never quite know what you're going to get. I've been very impressed with the two B grades I've gotten in the past. They were dang near perfect, I would say. You know, I wouldn't even have scoffed if they were A grades. All right, so let's see what we got here for natural Chromexcel. So I'd be lying if I said I wasn't a little nervous. So of course, you know, here's our shoehorn slash bottle opener. I'm sure you guys have all seen that many times, but very cool. I've got a nice little collection of those now. If you don't have one, if you want one, let me know. I'll send you one. All right, so here we go with the first shoe. All right. Yep. So I think this is probably the common thing because there's a gentleman on Instagram who has ones just like this. So I'm pretty sure that's probably why it's the B grade. So the strap here does look quite a bit darker than the rest of the shoe, which thankfully I was ready for that and doesn't really bother me. So looking around at the rest of the shoe, don't really see any issues. Yeah, the rest of the leather looks great. Interior looks great as it should be. Sole looks just fine. Couple scratches there. So maybe these have been tried on, but definitely not walked in at all. Because you can see there's absolutely no hint of even a crease there. Okay. All right, let's look at the other one. So now that the strap is a little bit darker on these ones, I'm hoping it's also darker on these ones. Because if it's not, that's going to be a shame. Okay, looks like it is. And I think once the rest of the leather starts to get worn in, starts to patina, my guess is they'll get slightly closer to each other in color. Although maybe this one will darken at an increased rate. So who really knows? Yeah, but let's look, see if we got any other issues. No, everything looks pretty good. So as you guys know, really high quality constructed loafer, Goodyear welted, leather sole, one of the best leather soles, and it doesn't turn white when it gets scratched. It turns like a darker color, so it doesn't look as bad when you sit with your legs crossed at work or something. Um, Obviously, Horween natural Chromexcel leather, fully leather lined, and just the way they construct this, I think it's called the Alexander last, just fits my foot extremely well. There's plenty of room in the toe box. These need very little break-in, at least in 10D for my foot. They fit great. They're a little loose at first, sockless, but these ones I'm probably planning on wearing more with socks. I have two pair of suede loafers in gray and coral. I wear those a lot in the summer. They're a little bit more fun for summer months. But I'll wear these in inclement weather, given it's Chromexcel, and really get them broken in. But yeah, I'll probably be wearing these with socks more often. But all right, so I'm going to break here, and I'm going to put them on, and we're going to check out the fit. Alrighty, here we go. They do fit pretty much exactly how I expected, based on the fact that I've got two other pairs in the same size. Although these, of course, are regular leather. The other two I have in suede. So you never actually know for sure if something's going to fit when it's in a sort of a different material. But yeah, given the cool color of these, they're going to match with pretty much any pair of crazy socks like these red, white, and blue ones. So yeah, I'm looking forward to wearing these around, getting them some wear and getting them some patina. So of course, like with all my other boots and shoes, I'll do regular updates of these, posts on Instagram, all that good stuff. So I really appreciate you guys taking the time to watch today. Have a fantastic weekend.